we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Torn between the Nikon 18-140mm and the Canon 18-135mm lens.
It's a classic showdown. Think of it like this. Nikon's offering a versatile workhorse, while Canon's got a nimble, modern option. Which one deserves a spot in your camera bag? The Nikon does look a bit more substantial. At 1.3 pounds, is it going to feel like a brick after a few hours of shooting?
It's definitely got some heft, but that translates to a really solid feel. Think durable. Plus, that extra weight might help stabilize those longer shots at 140mm. You're getting that classic Nikon build quality.
The Canon, at 1.2 pounds, shaves off a bit of weight. Does that lighter build mean it feels less premium?
Not at all. It's more about a modern, streamlined design. Perfect if you're prioritizing portability and want something easy to carry all day. Think travel photography or street shooting.
Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. Zoom range and image stabilization. These are the big differentiators, right?
The Nikon's 18-140mm range gives you that little bit extra reach. Imagine capturing candid shots at a wedding or getting closer to wildlife without disturbing them. That extra 5mm on the telephoto end can make a difference.
True, but the Canon's image stabilization is seriously impressive. We're talking up to 4 stops of shake correction. Think crisp, clear images even when you're shooting handheld in dimly lit environments. That's a game changer for indoor photography.
Good point. And while both have similar variable apertures, f/3.5 to 5.6, meaning similar depth of field control, the real difference comes down to autofocus.
Exactly. The Nikon uses its silent wave motor, SWM. What does that really mean for the user?
Blazing fast and virtually silent autofocus. Think capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife without any distracting noise. It's all about nailing that perfect shot in a split second.
The Canon uses STM stepping motor, which is incredibly smooth and quiet, especially for video. But is it as snappy as the Nikon for capturing stills of unpredictable subjects?
That's the key question. If you're leaning towards video and want smooth, cinematic autofocus, the Canon is a strong contender. But if you need that extra zoom and lightning-fast autofocus for stills, the Nikon pulls ahead.
And let's not forget, both are available as renewed options on Amazon, hovering around the same price point. So it really boils down to your shooting style.
Exactly. So are you a stills shooter who values reach and speed? Or a videographer who prioritizes smoothness and portability? Choose wisely and happy shooting. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.